Dynamic Cables Q3 FY26 results, profit surges 42% year. Is growth sustainable? Dynamic Cables Limited has reported a strong set of results for Q3 FY26, reflecting consistent execution and improving operational efficiency. In this video, we analyze the quarterly performance in detail and discuss what it means for investors. For the quarter ended December 2025, the company reported revenue of approximately 299 crore rupees, registering close to 19% year-on-year growth. This performance was supported by steady demand from power transmission and infrastructure projects, along with improved execution across segments. Profitability stood out during the quarter, with net profit rising to around 22.4 crore rupees, up nearly 42% year-on-year. This faster growth in profits compared to revenue highlights margin expansion and operating leverage, supported by better cost control and an improved product mix. Investors should also factor in the impact of the bonus issue announced earlier in the year, which has increased the equity base. Despite this, the underlying earnings momentum remains healthy. On a 9-month basis, Dynamic Cables reported revenue of over 840 crore rupee and net profit of around 60 crore rupees, showing strong year-to-date growth and consistency across quarters. From a sector perspective, the outlook for cable manufacturers remains positive due to continued investments in power infrastructure, renewable energy, and grid upgrades. However, raw material price volatility and working capital management remain key risks to monitor. In conclusion, Dynamic Cables Q3 FY26 results indicate solid operational execution and improving financial strength. While the numbers are encouraging, long-term investors should continue tracking margins, execution consistency, and sector trends before making investment decisions. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.